Hi, welcome to TuneSig, and this is the tutorial and feature video showing you the features that are available to members and non-members at tunesig.com. First of all, we're going to cover the two basic features that are available to everyone who visits tunesig.com. That's creating a new signature and updating the signature that you have created in our system. Now, you can create as many signatures as you want for as many tunes as you have, above and beyond level 10, but it's really easy. First, you click the create a new signature, type in your realm information, Munmunar, and type in my character's name. Right now it's going to pull some default values from the armory, my class, my race, level that I'm at, my tune's name, the guild name, and if I'm not in a guild, it'll pull out the realm information. It'll pull out my primary spec and my two professions. Now, if I can customize this a lot to my taste. I can choose from a variety of themes. So I've got all these Blender themes to choose from. We've got some capital city themes. There are a couple checker themes, some combat. Got some custom signatures that we made. Elemental, Fel Energy, a large variety of different things to choose from. I like the Blender theme, so we're going to choose, I like this Molten Core series that I created. So I'm going to change the background, and then I could leave this text here if I wanted to, but I've got some display options. I can change the middle text. I can choose from my primary or secondary spec, show realm and battle group information, achievement points, my current title, or I can insert some custom text or leave it blank. Let's say I want to enter some custom text. Bubble Hearth for the win. And my right top text, I want to show my healing spec and my secondary spec as protection. Now, I do have a lot of other options available to me. I can show some PvP information like lifetime honor kills. I can show a variety of stats, but I'm opting to show my secondary spec. And as you can see, it's all updated here in the live preview. And when I'm ready to generate my signature, it's going to ask me for a password. So create a password that will bind to this particular signature, because you'll need it, and remember it, you'll need it to update your signature later. And after it's done, my signature is all ready to go. And with this button, I can conveniently get the BB code or the HTML to use on my website or the guild's form. So it's pretty easy, pretty basic. Now, let's say I've gone through and I've had a busy weekend of earning some achievement points, and I want those achievement points to be updated on my signature. Well, instead of creating a new signature, I have to click this update an existing signature link. And what this is going to do, this is going to go into our database. So I'm going to enter Moonrunner, my character's name, and the password that I've assigned to it. And so it's going to grabs all my default values that I had before, but I want to update my middle text and show the achievement points that I've achieved over the weekend, and maybe we just got for the Alliance this weekend, so I want to show my pride, and we'll change it to Stormwind City. And I'm going to generate my signature, clicking the big red button. And right away, it'll update my signature and update your profile on TuneSig. Now, sometimes your browser may or may not cache this image. You might see your old signature still. Don't worry about it. All you gotta do is just click the link, click the image, just open it up in a new window, and it will just refresh that browser, and you'll see the new signature. Pretty easy. Now, that's all it takes for creating and updating signatures on TuneSig. But being a member gives you some added benefits and makes it a lot easier to maintain your signatures, especially if you've got a lot of characters like I do. So all you have to do is just click this register to become a member. If you're not a member, type in your email address and password, and what it'll do is it'll fire off an email to your account, and you have to click a verification link. Pretty basic stuff. Once you've gone in and verified your account, you're ready to log in. So I happened to create an account earlier, and I do not have any characters assigned yet. Now you remember I created one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click this add an existing signature, and what this is going to do will bind that signature to my account. So I add my realm information, my character, and the password that I used for that character. Now you can have a password that's unique between your character and your account. You can have different passwords. That's fine. Just got to remember which goes to which. And click add sig. And there it is. There's my signature that I added earlier. Now I'm going to show you my own personal account. It has a lot of more signatures, and I'm going to just show you some of the options available to you. Here we're in my personal account here with a bunch of my tunes that I've already used on a regular basis. You have a variety of options. I can arrange my signatures in order, like I can toggle them up and down. Like let's say Dual Beer Spec gets to level 72, I might want to put him before Eclipser. But I've got a lot of options available to me. So if I want to update a signature, I don't have to go through all this link stuff over on the left here. I can just click this pencil icon. So I'm going to update or modify the signature, and it'll take me to a page where I can do a similar thing. I can choose from a variety of blenders, capital cities and checkers and whatnot. We're going to choose Fel Energy. And let's say I want to show some custom text. And generate my signature. And right now it's updating my signature, and it's all ready to go. And there it is. My new signature is all set up. If I go back to the dashboard, there it is. Now, in addition, we've also added some features. You can get your links and BB code right within. You can get single-click access to the Blizzard Armory with character information. So you can go check out your gear if you want. You can go to this other cool tool that we've been using a lot. It's called the Wowhead Profiler. And basically you can do a lot of great stuff like swapping out gear or enchants or gems and stuff like that, and check them against your specs. So it's pretty neat. I like it. And lastly, Biombo, which is also a character auditor. So it's really easy to use. Now, if you've got a ton of tunes and you've been leveling a lot and getting more achievement points, and you want all these things to be reflected in your characters, but you don't have to go through and update each tune one by one. Members have a great feature available to them that allow them to batch update tunes. So I click that link, and it will go through each and every single one of my signatures, check it against the Armory database, and if there are updates, it will go through and add them into the system and regenerate my signature for me. It's really easy, fast and easy to use. That's why we want people to become members. It's just a heck of a lot easier to manage your signatures and to perform updates. So that's TuneSig in a flash. We really hope you enjoy it, and tell other people about it and sign up today. TuneSig.com. Thank you.